The perfect definition of love is the cross of Christ. Because you know, the cross of Christ signified giving of oneself totally. Not simply 50%, but the whole being.
Joanna Faye, where this me is a sign of my love and fidelity.
I like the Father, not the Son, not the Holy Spirit.
So light underneath those stormy skies, she said, oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise.
Nagkakilala kami sa school.
Third year high school. So since third year high school, doon kami nag-start.
Tapos yun, pero never kami naging magkaklase. Ano lang kami, actually batchmates lang kami ni Joanna.
Siyempre high school, di ba? Yun.
Memorable date namin nung tumakas.
Sa nanay ko.
Kasi mahigpit yung yung grandparent niya.
Siyempre sabihin ko, punta ako kila Akina, kila Charlene, lalabas kami. Pero siya yung kasama ko.
Pai, hindi pa din ako makapaniwala na despite ng lahat ng problema at challenges, ay pinili natin maging malakas para sa isa't isa. Sobra-sobrang nagpapasalamat ako dahil ibinigay ka sa akin ng Diyos para maging better half ko. I love you, Pai. See you later.
Ruelito, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Put you before me till the end of time, right until then, till my last breath rolls in. Oh,
Pai, no words could ever express the meaning you brought to my life and the content that goes along with it. I love you. See you later.
my heart beats for you alone.
Joanna Faye, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Every time you fall from grace, I'll wait patiently
You may now kiss your bride already.
for you. I will forever and always.
Maybe that's the reason why you are here this afternoon, no? You have that desire that your relationship will be forever. Because if not, sabi ko nga, hindi kayo naririto ngayong hapon kung wala kayong hangad na manatili kayong nagmamahalan mula ngayon hanggang sa huling hininga ng inyong buhay.
Matagal kong hinihintay at inaasam na magpahiwatig ang pag-ibig ko sa harap ng ating Panginoon. Sa iyo ko nakita at nasalamin ang mas magandang version ng sarili ko
I can't help but smile looking back to both our laughters and the tears and the challenges we have endured. As you have always been the driving force in my life, we stood strong like a bridge over troubled waters.
Sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon, pinapangako ko na ikaw at ikaw lamang ang pipiliin ko. Kahit ano pa man ang mangyari, I will forever love you and stand with you against our troubles.
Honestly, above all things is what I pledge to you. My honest devotion, my honest heart, and my undying love to forever.
To the end.